Veins are blood vessels containing blood flowing to the heart, while arteries have blood flowing from the heart. The blue is representative of blood vessels containing the deoxygenated blood. The red blood vessels have oxygenated blood fresh from the lungs. Now let us follow the path of the blood through the heart. The superior vena cava receives blood from the head, neck, upper limbs, and chest. Meanwhile, the inferior vena cava receives blood from the trunk, viscera, and lower limbs. Both of the superior and inferior vena cava and up in the right atrium, one of the four chambers of the heart. The heart not only four chambers, but also has four valves. The purpose of the valve is to keep blood moving in the right direction and not flow backward. Blood exits the right atrium through tricuspid valve, so called because it has three flaps, and enters the right ventricle. The blood exits the right ventricle through the pulmonary valve, enters the pulmonary artery. Again, it is the artery because blood is flowing away from the heart, but it's blue because lacks of oxygen. The pulmonary artery veins split into the left and right pulmonary arteries, which go to each respective lung into the lungs. Gaseous exchange occurs. The blood discards carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen. Now blood comes back from the lungs through the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. Next, the blood is pumped into the left ventricle through the mitral or bicuspid valve. Finally, the oxygenated blood leaves the left ventricle through the aortic seminal valve, entering. So the aortic arch, the artery which is the largest of all arteries distributions, the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The aortic arch has three major branches, which is supply the head and the arms with blood. Then the aortic curves downward behind the heart, forming the descending aorta, which descend through the chest and continues down through the optimum. In the optimum, the descending aorta splits to supply the pelvis and legs with blood.